The United States has, for the first time, put North Korean leader Kim Jong-un on its sanctions list for the regime's grave human rights abuses. Kwon Soa looks into whether the move is more than just a symbolic one.
It's another strong and independent move by the U.S. to pile pressure on North Korea. This time, Washington is sanctioning the regime's leader Kim Jong-un himself over human rights abuses, saying his crimes are among the worst in the world.
The government continues to commit extrajudicial killings, enforced disappearances, arbitrary arrest and detention, forced labor, and torture.
The U.S. Treasury Department says the sanctions, the first to target any North Korean leader for human rights abuses, affect property and other assets within U.S. jurisdiction and extend to 10 other individuals and 5 North Korean state entities. South Korea's foreign ministry has welcomed the announcement, saying it too will join various efforts in tackling the North's human rights issues.
In particular, South Korea takes note that these measures clarify who is responsible for the human rights abuses in North Korea.
Some say Seoul's high evaluation may have consequences.
Although it's an issue between North Korea and the U.S., as South Korea is directly and indirectly involved, North Korea is expected to increase its criticism towards the South too.
The professor predicts that instance could come next month when Seoul-Washington joint military drills kick off. While officials say human rights issues are dealt separately, experts say imposing sanctions on Pyongyang over human rights abuses has also got to do with the regime's other violations, namely nuclear and missile threats.
I think the sanctions have considerable relation to the nuclear issue, as people linked to nuclear development and rockets are among the blacklisted individuals.
Now, it remains to be seen whether the U.S. sanctions will have a tangible effect on North Korea, as some say the measure is largely symbolic. Kwon Soa, Arirang News.